A brief video on the design of fire. So, what is the design of fire? And who created it? Hello, my name is Ava. I am just one part of a team that conducted a 40-year forensic investigation on the actual design of your planet. And the name of your planet was named Planet Earth. Our intent is to give you facts about the actual design of Planet Earth. It is written in the scrolls that God created everything. He is the beginning and He is the end. Fire is actually a design. Just like you are a design and your planet is a design. The images you see on your screen are from the 1960s. It is a brief moment captured in time. During the Vietnam War, napalm was dropped. The military photographers captured images of the drops. So we have a record on file. But there is much more to fire than your scientists think. You can cook with fire. Warm yourself with fire. But fire is also information or knowledge. The images on your screen contain many images of many people, all lined up in a row. You actually have hundreds of these images on file. Now, the question is, why haven't your astrophysicist come forward with this information? As you can clearly see, it is all images of people all stuck together in a row. You will notice there is no empty space between all the images of people. In fact, the entire design of planet Earth has the same type of data sewn into it. So in theory, all you need is this one photograph to actually prove planet Earth was built. But me and my team have 40,000 of basically the same type of information. So let's see if we can figure out why. Let's say 100,000 astrophysicists cannot understand what they are actually observing in the natural design of everything. So this leads us to the human mind and colors. The human mind understands colors through a complex process that involves the eye and the brain. When light hits the retina, millions of light-sensitive cells called rods and cones detect it and sends the signals to the brain. The brain then mixes and categorizes these signals in order to perceive colors. This is how the human mind understands different shapes with colors. The one thing the human mind cannot do will be to tell you what it is they are observing. The human mind has a flaw. It has to be told what something is first. If not, then the eyes will always send data to the mind, without you knowing what it is. So if your astrophysicists do not know what they are actually observing, then they cannot explain to you what it really is. That is fact. So our team had to also conduct experiments on the human mind. We used people in professional positions in society. One experiment, we injected 100 images of 100 people into a 100-year-old oak tree. We blended all the images of people into the oak tree design, using the same colors. Exactly the same colors, 1 in 10 picked up on it. The human mind has a weakness. The human mind has to know what something is first. If not, then the eyes will always send the wrong data to the human mind. We as a society will have to do much better. In order to understand the actual design of our planet, you do have the correct people in position to figure out and understand this complex design we all are inside. This will be your astrophysicist. Their job is to conduct research and study anything that occupies space. To study physical properties, matter, particles that occupy space. Me and my team will only give you facts, with something you can see and put on paper. If we cannot see it, then we cannot study it. You, the people of Earth, are going to have to help the science community to understand Earth's design. They cannot do it with the private sector. Keep in mind you are a design inside a design. Your entire planet is knowledge. You were born inside it. Figure out how to extract this data and put it on paper. You now have the technology to do this. You are the generation that will in fact figure out the true design of your planet. You can do this.